So here we have two phone holders called Chronos. These units are for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The idea here is for the MagSafe charger to be attached here. Cable goes inside, goes out through this hole, follow the line, and goes in the back. Material here is fully machined aluminum. Design, engineering, concept, everything is done by the X-Pro, by us. And this is the first CNC prototype. The next round is a mass manufacturing of these units. As you can see here, the double-side 3M tape is holding the charger into place. So let's put this aside. Here for 15 Pro Max, we already have attached unit. So MagSafe is inside, cable is there, cables goes around. And on top of that, we have the phone. In this case, 15 Pro Max easily attaches to it and stays in the place. Cool design, very interesting concept.